जहां नारी का सम्मान वहां सबका कल्याण. Honoring women uplifts entire communities, and keeping this in mind, the Government of India has taken transformative steps to empower women at every stage of life. Right from Beti Bachao Beti Padhao to Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam, the welfare programs support women at different stages, enabling them to overcome socio-economic barriers and to achieve wholesome empowerment. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao aims to prevent gender-based selection, ensure the survival and safety of girl child, and ensure education of girls. The Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana is playing a significant role in ensuring the health and well-being of women, especially in rural and low-income households, by addressing a major silent hazard, household air pollution, from traditional cooking methods. By providing subsidized LPG connections, the scheme replaces smoky chulhas with clean cooking fuel, significantly reducing women's exposure to harmful fumes. Through initiatives like Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, National Urban Livelihoods Mission, and the National Rural Livelihoods Mission, underprivileged women are empowered to build sustainable livelihoods. By becoming a part of self-help groups, they gain access to financial resources, skill development, and collective support. Meanwhile, the Stand Up India scheme empowers women entrepreneurs by facilitating bank loans for setting up a greenfield project enterprise in manufacturing, services, trading sector, and activities allied to agriculture. This spirit of empowerment is now reaching into even the most traditional sectors like agriculture. Under the Namo Drone Didi scheme, women are being trained to use drone technology for modern farming services, providing that with the right tools, women can lead innovation even in our villages. Empowerment is incomplete without representation. With the passing of the Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam, India took a historic step to ensure 33% reservations for women in Lok Sabha, state legislative assemblies, and Delhi Assembly, affirming that women deserve not just a voice but a decisive say in shaping the nation's future. These initiatives collectively mark a shift from women's development to women-led development. An empowered woman is not just a beneficiary, she is a builder of Bharat's tomorrow. Let us continue to create a future where every woman is seen, heard, respected, and unstoppable.